Level 2, from zero to hired and senior, where you are introduced to a world of responsibilities way bigger, such as senior or team lead, front-end architect, or other colorful titles. All who practice daily WoW Dope Level 2 managed in 1 to 3 years to join the 6 digits per year team, over £100,000 income per year as web developers. Ellen and Sandra got hired in 3 months on £35,000 per year and evolved in the following years from more projects to an income of over £132,000 per year. Karol Enake got his first job on £30,000 per year and in 3 years got again over £132,000 per year, and today, along with his wife, they have an income over £200,000 per year. You should have seen their wedding in France, in Monaco. From beautiful to exquisite, from extraordinary to beyond, mega well done for them. Vlad was earning between £25,000 and £35,000 per year in Edinburgh. With the help of WoW Dope process and direct involvement of the founder, he jumped directly to £65,000 in London. And today, after many years, he is earning over £125,000 income per year. Răzvan Mocanu was the fastest to gain projects in his portfolio and many recommendations, growing to an average of £100,000 each year. Răzvan and Christina pressed the acceleration pedal fully to over 200,000 and then to over £300,000 income per year. Laurențiu was looking for a well-paid job for longer than a year, and he couldn't get more than $2,500 per month. After 3 months of pre-interview and get hired process and some practice, he directly got his first offer of $125,000 per year, about 4 times the amount of the initial job offer. Dorin started strong from zero experience to being hired in 3 months on $35,000 per year and continuously evolved without barely any time to breathe. In 2 years and 4 months, since he had the first chat and shook hands with us, he jumped to the 6 digits starting from $125,000 per year with the possibility to get to £250,000 in the same company after 2 years. To join a team and practice daily, subscribe to Join WoW Dope and apply.